What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so on this one, it's just a layered technique with a sign and a bow. So I layer this one. I layer a lemon wreath on top of this one. Because, y'all, how many of y'all have ever used lemon stems? They're not cheap, right? So it's cheaper for me to have one lemon wreath and then sit that one lemon wreath on top of this wreath to give it that really, really full look. All right, so here's the lemon wreath. You guys can see that it's very skimpy. You can see the grapevine, all the things, right? So all I'm gonna do is nestle this right down in there, and then we're gonna zip tie it down to the other wreath. All right, we'll probably need, I don't know, 4 zip ties if I had to guess. All right, so I'm gonna get those zip ties through this first base. Gonna add this right in here and get that base zip tied down. All right. Zip tie this down nice and tight. Cut off that extra zip tie. All right, last one to zip tie down. Then we can make it pretty. Just adding that extra greenery behind it makes it look a lot better. But now we're gonna take that greenery and try to like mingle them together. All right, this spot right here is left a little bare for our bow. Y'all, we're gonna measure out about a 12-inch tail. We're gonna measure out about 6.5 inches. We're gonna make ourselves a little X. All right, then we're gonna put one right down the middle on both sides. All right, then we're gonna take this and we're gonna make ourselves a little center loop. All right, let's get our bow off and wrapped up. Get this twisted off. All right, so now we've got our little bow. All right, we're gonna add that right on top of our grapevine. All right, get this tied off. Get our ribbon dovetailed. Y'all always make sure your staples aren't thicker than your board or you'll have a very bad day. Ask me how I know. All right. Let's get our pipe cleaners on the 4 corners. All right. Anytime I staple, I also put a little bit of hot glue. And all right, y'all, I'm just gonna get this sign slid right in here behind this bow. I mean, who doesn't need this hanging up somewhere for all your friends? How many of y'all have that one friend that's, bless their heart? All right, I want to get it in there at an angle so that the bow doesn't cover up the sun. All right, then we're gonna just get that pipe cleaner wrapped right around one of the bases. All right, let's get this one tied down. So y'all, all I'm doing is wrapping that pipe cleaner around the sun. Not around the sun, around the frame, and getting it tied off. All right, y'all. One little bless your heart lemon wreath ready to go. Good night, y'all.